But here we can see this extremist face. Who are the supporters? Means Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, next Bipin Chandrapal. So these are the three peoples. Okay, the leaders on the side of this extremist. But once again, when the Tilak was released from the prison, so once again the Congress was reunited. Okay, once again the two faces are removed. That is, two groups are removed. Once again, they joined combinedly and formed the Congress. Okay. So next, so this is about the next. Just we move forward. So if you see here, delegates of the first Indian National Congress meeting in the 1885. So here we can see the photograph. This is the oldest photograph. Okay. So here we can see here different peoples. So here we can see this all 72 delegates nearly. So 72 delegates photos is there. So this is the photograph of first meeting in the year 1885. Okay. And next, see here. So here we can see this. Okay. So different ways. So here also we can see this. So this is at the time of first Congress, and it is in the year 1885. So here we can see this Lala Lajpat Rai here sitting. So he is named Lala Lajpat Rai. So all peoples are there, but actually here photo is not clear, but in the textbook you will be very clear. So there we can see all these people. So Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, next Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji. So all these are the important politicians in the first time. Next, so just to move forward. Okay. Yes. So this is what I said till now. That is how they have taken the stand of this Indian National Congress. Next, here we can see this extremist phase of 1905 to 1920 Swadeshi movement. So this is launched by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Okay. So I said in the starting only, that is Bala Gangadhar Tilak. He is the leader for this movement, Swadeshi movement. So this is the period. But remember, so there are two phases are there. From here, 1885 to 1905, this is the phase of moderates. Okay, moderate phase, 85 to 1905. Their intention is just only pray, petition, and protest. They followed these three principles. But after 1905, so when the Bala Gangadhar Tilak came into, of course, when he was released from the prison, so he launched this movement, Swadeshi movement. Okay, so this movement is from 1905 to 1920. Next, what are the things that happened? Means, see here. So at the time of Bala Gangadhar Tilak, so there are some incidents that happened in this movement. One is partition of Bengal. So partition of Bengal. Partition of Bengal means what? Means, so when all peoples are joined at the side of this Congress, so number of peoples, the number of thousands, some lakhs of peoples are increased for this INC by the year 1903. Okay. So then here, the British are unable to control the Indians. Okay. Then at that time, so who was the Governor General for India? Means Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon. So Lord Curzon was the British Governor General. So what is the difference between Viceroy and Governor General? Means, so see here. Okay. So there are two questions are there. One is President. Present day, if you take this post, so we can see this President. Under President, we can see Prime Minister. Okay, Prime Minister is the head of the country, head of the government, but he is the head of the country. Okay, like that here in those days also, there we can see this. Okay, that is first one is Viceroy. So Viceroy is same like as President of India, and Governor General. So Governor General is same like as Prime Minister of India, now present day. So like that here, two persons are. So here, Lord Curzon was there. So Lord Curzon, as he is the Governor General for India, so he want to follow a different policy to control this movement, which is raised in India. That is divide and rule. Okay, divide and rule policy. Divide and rule policy. Okay, so divide and rule is nothing but we must divide the Indians. So how? Based on religion. So here in those days, the Hindus and Muslims are they are fighting each other in one state, that is Bengal state. So in the Bengal state, two religions are fighting each other, Hindus and Muslims. So the Lord Curzon intention is, if you divide the state based on the religion, then two peoples will be still fighting each other. Okay, when two peoples are fighting each other, so they will forget about the freedom struggle. Okay, that is the policy of this British rule. So Britishers not only they followed divide and rule in India, but also they followed in the Nigeria, okay, in South Africa. So many countries they followed this policy, divide and rule policy. So here, in the year 1905, Lord Curzon has given a call that to control the religious conflicts in the state of Bengal. So the British government is going to divide the state into two parts. One is the West Bengal. Next one is the East Bengal. West Bengal and East Bengal. So like that, he has given a call for this. Then this plan was this divide and rule policy was understood by the Indians, that is Indian leaders, that is Tilak. So Tilak is also having one title, okay, that is called as Lokamanya Tilak. It is called as just Lokamanya Tilak. Same like as Gandhiji having this Bapuji, okay, Netaji, Bapuji, like that. Here Balaganga Tilak is also having the title, it is called as Lokamanya Tilak. Now here, when the Lord Curzon has given this proposal, then immediately Balaganga Tilak was there. So Balaganga Tilak, he has given a call that to celebrate one Vinayaka Chauthi. Vinayaka Chauthi, to show the equality among the Hindus and Muslims in India. So in the Bombay, mainly in the Bombay province. So in the Bombay, so this Vinayaka Chauthi was celebrated with grand procession, and in that procession, all the Hindus and Muslims are attended. Hindus and Muslims, so both are attended for this grand procession, so that the message should be given for Britishers that Hindus and Muslims are staying with like brotherhood in India. So that message should be sent for the Britishers. So like that they thought. So finally this was celebrated like that. So here, but even that also, the Britishers did not accept it for that. And in the year 1905, so though the Indian Congress has not accepted this partition of Bengal, but in the year 1905, the Bengal was divided into two states. Okay, they declared that Bengal is going to be divided into two states. Okay, one is the East Bengal and the other one is the West Bengal. So this is the West Bengal and this is East Bengal. So West Bengal is made for Hindus and East Bengal is made for Muslims.